You would think after months of having the Xbox out that they would have fixed this problem, but they have not. And I've tried turning it around and hitting the bottom of the Xbox, and it has done nothing, as you can see.